a song. Suzanne Young, ladies and gentlemen. I told you we had world-class performers, and we have performers of all ages. You'll see some come up to the front stage now as we expand our performance area tonight. You know, originally we thought, where could we put the show on? And some people said, well, what about the Palms? I mean, the food's cheap and the drinks are stiff, and that's a family place, and everyone knows where it's at. And most of you are going to go there afterwards, right? Right, yeah. But the stage was a little bit too small for the kind of big show that we have tonight. Matter of fact, look what we have in front of us. We have the darling divas of downtown Carpinteria. They're a new and up-and-coming troupe of all ages. They're here to sing and dance for you tonight to the 1967 hit, the sweet charity hit, Hey, Big Spender.
The minute you walked in the joint, I could see you were a man of distinction, a real big spender, good looking, so refined. Say, would you like to know what's going on in my mind? So let me get right to the point. I don't pop my cork for every guy I see. With me. Would you like to have fun? Fun, fun. How's about a few laughs, laughs, laughs? I could show you a good time. Let me show you a good time. You walked in a joint, I could see you were a girl of distinction, a real big spender, good looking, so refined. Say, wouldn't you like to know what's going on in my mind? So let me get right to the point. I don't pop my cork for every gal I see. With me. Darling Downtown Divas. Wow. I think they threw some real money out there, didn't they? Who got some of that?